In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to start Google Chrome automatically the moment you will open your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, firstly, we need to create a Google Chrome desktop shortcut. So how we can do so, please navigate at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key to expand or reveal the other options, and please locate with open file location. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with this copy icon. Once you have copied it, close the window. Please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted it here, you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for shell startup. Again, it is shell startup SHELL STARTUP. Okay, make sure that you have typed the command correctly. Click on OK the moment you have typed it, and you would be able to bring up this window. So from here, all you need to do is you need to minimize this first, and please make a right click, go with the Scott icon, and navigate to the location of the startup again, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment you have pasted it, all you need to do is you need to close the window and restart the computer. Once you have opened the machine, you would be able to bring up or run your Google Chrome automatically here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.